Howdy, Reed Hoopmarker here with Progressive Pumps to talk about vertical turbine pumps and loss of pump efficiency. When new, all the internal clearances inside the pump are machined to factory specifications to maximize efficiency and flow through the pump. Over time, those clearances start opening up and increasing the diametrical clearance due to wear and/or erosion. Specifically on closed impeller pumps, this happens in two places: the impeller wear rings and the shaft bushings. Here is the impeller and its wear ring area right here. As it rotates inside the impeller bowl, and the fit is the wear ring here. This impeller is made of stainless and the impeller bowl is cast iron. When new, the diametrical clearance is between 20 and 40 thousandths, depending on the manufacturer, as well as other factors such as fluid characteristics, temperature, etc. When the pump is running, this close clearance helps the pump efficiency by restricting the flow from the exit of the impeller back to the eye or suction. As this clearance increases in diametrical size over time, more flow from the impeller recirculates in the eye and reduces throughput through the pump, which reduces efficiency. Similarly, shaft bushings also wear over time. These are the main support for the shaft stability as it rotates up to 3600 RPM inside the pump. These types of bushings in the vertical turbine are lubricated by process fluid. In some designs, they are oil lubricated by an oiler. Here is a worn shaft bushing inside here and the area of the shaft where it was riding up against. In this example, the shaft is stainless and the bushing is bronze, and as you can see, this one's pretty worn. When new, the diametrical clearance is between 4 and 12 thousandths depending on the manufacturer as well as other factors. As they wear over time, vibration will increase in the pump as well as accelerate the impeller ring wear. The shaft bushings and shafts are normally replaced during the overhaul of the pump, and they should be replaced with components that meet factory and/or industry standards, including diametrical clearance, but this alone will not remedy the loss of efficiency in the pump. You must also reclaim the impeller wear ring clearances to bring the pump back to like new performance and efficiency. This is done by machining the bowl and the impeller nose true and adding or replacing a wear ring to one of the components. When adding a wear ring to the pump that did not come with one, it is typically added to the impeller bowl, like in this one. Wear rings should be made of factory and/or industry standards and be machined to make the proper diametrical clearance. During the overhaul of your vertical turbine pump, it is critical to bring all the internal clearances back to the factory and/or industry standards. This is done by not only sizing and replacing the shaft and bushings properly, but also the running clearances between the impeller and the bowls. Only then will you get back the lost performance out of your pump and get back those efficiencies. Give me a call if you have any questions about the overhaul of your vertical turbine pump. Progressive Pumps, the right repair, on time, 100% guaranteed.